It's very early in the morning. It's like 5 o'clock. By the time we get there though, it's gonna be like 7 o'clock, so.
Okay, I don't get it. Leaving here at 6 and we're gonna get there at 7. But it's a 3-hour flight. Time zones are crazy. I don't get it.
It's called the Globe.
I know.
We made it to LA finally. We got 1 hour left, so we're going to the dealership, so I'm stoked. We're waiting for the Uber. This is like the longest I've ever waited for an Uber. It's kind of crazy. Alright guys, so I haven't really been filming much at all, and no, I'm not in California, I'm back in Texas now. But yeah, the car is right next to me. You probably just saw it like barely in the frame, but yeah, so here we go. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is my new 2014 435i. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I wasn't expecting to get an F32 over an F30. But this car came up, it was a good deal, so I said why not, you know? And it's like decently spec too. Like it's got all the stuff that I'd hope for on this kind of car. With the M aerodynamic package, and then it's got these like, I always forget what they're called, but they're like rear bumper extensions. And then, yes, it's got the M Performance exhaust on it. I'm super stoked about that. It's like actually not that quiet. It's got like the M, you can't, oh, it's like right there, but it's got the M Performance badge on it. It's got these 19-inch wheels. I mean, they're not bad like for stock, obviously, but I'm trying to buy some new ones. I don't know. I'll probably make it a surprise, like everything else. I've been driving it for the past day. It shifts so smoothly. The power delivery is perfect. Obviously, it's not like super fast compared to the M54, but it does the job. It's also got this front lip. I'm pretty sure, I'm not like too positive that's part of the M aerodynamic pack, but regardless, it looks really good. It's gloss black, not carbon, which is a little different, obviously. Same with the mirror caps, and then I got the skirt extensions here. And yes, I'm going to depatch that before I get shipped for it. Oh, and then you guys probably noticed this too. It's got a damn N55 badge on there. Like, I'm in love with this thing so far. It's been a great car. I drove it all the way back and it did perfectly fine. And this is probably one of my favorite parts of the car. The red interior, the red dash, stupid clean. It's got carbon fiber trim. And then it's got the updated iDrive, which I love. It is so HD. It's kind of unbelievable, but it works so well. And the previous owner put in this like, it's like an Alcantara shift boot with the M Performance shifter, and it feels so nice. Same with this, the handbrake. Sorry I wasn't filming much. I was trying to film more while I was in Cali. Actually, I was like too excited. Plan on doing a couple things to it. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it because I'm still trying to get used to it. Yeah, sorry for the short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you all like the new car. Like I said, it was gonna be completely different than the E92.